too much stuff.
I gotta get friggin' bullpup. This thing is too big.
What's up? Long time no see.
Dude, how you doing, man? How you doing, Luke?
Good.
Music City. Nashville. It's Nashville, Tennessee.
Rolling down the highway, boys. 99 degrees. We're about to be in Missouri.
Goodness, look at this drop off, y'all.
I don't want to look at that drop off. Go, keep driving.
I mean, I can't see the ground.
In the zone. Well, guy, I think you spoke to us here. All the best, eh?
I'll see you around.
Cheers, guys.
You end up back. Yeah. Who's this guy? Nobody knows this guy.
What's happening, everybody? This is going to be an exciting day. Got a good, solid group of young studs in this room right now. Look at that, minus George,
Right.
Super Bowl. But the rest of that side of the table is
American Air Gunner.
Everything you're seeing right now is at the Utah Air Guns custom shop. We're hanging out there, getting ready before we head to the range. If y'all would go down below, hit that subscribe button, help us get to 1,000. We appreciate the support. Enjoy the video.
Watching you, it moved a lot.
Trash.
It doesn't feel good. Like you're breaking, it was like...
You gotta use your brakes, son.
Yeah.
It looks a lot easier, but I knew I'd be doing hard. That one sneaks up on me. That one around.
You need to use the brake on the little part.
How you doing?
How you doing? Good. How you doing, buddy? It's good to see you, man.
Good to see you.
Been a while.
Yeah.
Brady's for Brady, good to see you.
How you doing? Good to see you back there.
Hey, how are you? Good to see you as well.
How you doing, sir? Yes, sir.
Lauren doing her thing, making the shirts all pretty.
Trying.
Go to American Air Gunner and order any of the merchandise online.
When do we get to hire you? How do we steal your River Dad?
I'm ready.
Lauren, how do we steal River Dad?
I just want to hang out with Lauren.
I'm shooting the Magnum gloves.
Oh, this one Magnum gloves.
I need to show you. I think they're on the table there. Let me show you quickly what I'm shooting there.
Okay.
Oh yeah. No, it doesn't matter. I'm shooting some 299s. Some 299s. Those things are evil.
boys don't even know about this game.
That's right.
Who you got to pick your player?
Oh, what I hit?
Well, you gotta move them around until you pick the, then hit the
Oh,
red
look
button.
at
Pick
him.
the dude with the earrings. Or wait, yeah, get dude with the beard.
Good.
Oh yeah. That looks like what's his name?
Yeah! Hit him with the fast kicks! Hit him with the fast kicks!
Oh, come
Yeah. Oh, yeah! Yeah! Just like that, Chun-Li! Look at her. So maybe do that on upside down kick. You don't even know what happened.
That kind of looks like Adam.
That's what happened.
Coming at you.
How did I run away? What the heck? Oh, there it is.
Woo! Woo!
Run button.
Because she's known for her kicks. See? Oh! When the fast lightning leg comes,
I can't even.
did you even punch
take a
me?
swing.
Hey,
I
did you
can't
even
take a swing.
touch me?
No,
did you
my
even
dude,
touch me?
he's just standing there like this, looking at the sky.
He's getting his ass handed to him.
Today is the speed challenge. It's a little bit more air gunner challenge style, which is starting June 29th, sponsored by Utah Air Guns. Are you guys ready? Are you ready for the speed challenge? Yes, sir. That is very pathetically lame. I need to hear some noise. Are you ready for the speed challenge?
Hit three.
Begin. Impact. 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 Stop. Good grief, he goes quickly. I was you. Hey, I'm going to catch loose.
Hit. 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 Left leg, clean. Nice shit. Good job, Ray.
Impact! 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 Impact!
No way!
Yes!
Impact right. Impact right. Impact right. Impact. Impact right. Impact right. Yeah! Hit. 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 Right lane. Hey. Go. Fire. Fire.
This is what they're shooting in today. Wind is crazy. Tell us what happened.
I'm not the target off. 30 cal full strong.
Just wait. Impact. Pull it open. Nice. Roll on 7 hits.
Impact.
Impact.
Oh yeah.
So we got 7. Nice finish.
Sounds good. Okay. Awesome.
Yep.
This is what they're shooting in.
This is going to be a battle. We've got professional wrestler versus UFC. Who's got the money on the UFC? All right, we've got Brady from American Airgun. We've got Luke from Firebird Targets. Shooters, fire! Are you ready? I hope so. Nick, are you ready? Yes, sir. Fire!
Oh, yeah.
Fire!
Orange.
Yeah.
Stand by. Fire!
Yeah.
Go Brady!
Got this, Tom.
Yeah, front to back.
Good, Tom.
All right, go ahead and load and make ready.
Go, Brady.
All right. Spotters.
Yes.
All right, shooters, are you ready? Ready. Yep. Stand by. Fire.
Orange. 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 Orange.
Seventh place and $700 with a score of 660. Brady Line.
What's up, everybody? We're back home from RMAC. It was an amazing trip. We met a lot of new people and got to... Dude, what are you... I'm trying to film an outro
Target
here.
practicing, dude. Gotta practice for next year. The grind never stops.
Well, how was the trip?
It was great. It was
Great.
a lot of fun. We had a party. It was a blast hanging out with the American Airgunner crew. Man, I'm telling you, it was a great trip. Had a lot of fun. Thanks for watching the end of the video. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. It was a blast, and we'll do it again next year.
Where'd you finish?
I got 7th in marksman. Pellets.
With pellets. Pellets. Not slugs. Pellets.
I mean, it was definitely
Gun, though.
Utah Airguns, custom, right there,
Little
M3.
EOTech E-Flex side dot action.
Yes, sir.